Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Alexis. I am one half of the Traveling Swiss, and in this video we're going to show you the beautiful city of Basel. If you recognize the river behind me, we are standing on the River Rhine, and Basel is an amazing place to arrive, maybe on this exact river by a cruise, or maybe you're coming through the train station or even the Euro airport. No matter how you're getting to Basel, it's an amazing place to spend a day, and in this video we're going to show you how to spend 24 hours in this beautiful city. Before we get into the video, I want to direct you to our website, thetravelingswiss.com. In case you need more help in your planning, we have a lot of resources there, including a free train pass selector tool. You can book one-on-one consultations. We have itineraries available for purchase and even hotel reviews and recommendations, so make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's go explore Basel. So the first thing to explore in Basel is the beautiful red Rathaus, right in the middle of town.
In the center of Basel, easily accessible from the boat cruise terminal on the Rhine and from the main train station, is one of the city's most striking landmarks, the Rathaus, or City Hall. This historic building serves as the seat of Basel's cantonal government and is a must-see for visitors exploring the heart of the Old Town. The Basel Rat House is immediately recognizable thanks to its vibrant red facade with ornate frescoes. You can actually walk inside the courtyard and check out where the walls are beautifully decorated with murals and symbolic paintings, many of these works actually dating back to the 16th and 17th centuries. And if you're here during the holiday season, there is a beautifully decorated tree in the interior courtyard. Guided tours are available for visitors who want to explore the historic chambers and learn more about the political and cultural history of this vibrant Swiss city.
The next thing to explore in Basel is to walk through the beautiful Old Town streets and admire the architecture.
Basel's Old Town is a beautifully preserved historic district, perfect for exploring on foot. Its narrow, winding cobblestone streets create a storybook atmosphere that feels both timeless and very vibrant. Highlights include a lively square in front of the striking Red Rathaus and Spalenberg, a nearby quarter known for its steep, curving alleys, century-old houses, and charming boutiques. On the opposite end of the Old Town, near the Rhine, you can explore the quieter St. Alban quarter, home to the fascinating Basel Paper Mill Museum and tranquil riverside paths. Basel's Old Town seamlessly blends history with everyday life, offering beautiful viewpoints, hidden courtyards, and a mix of quiet charm and lively culture, all in the heart of the city.
Next, make your way to the Barfüsserplatz, which has a lot of events throughout the year. Maybe you're here during Christmas time.
Barfüsserplatz is one of Basel's main squares and a lively hub in the heart of the Old Town. Surrounded by shops, cafes, and beautiful historical buildings, it is a popular place to pause and take in the local atmosphere. Just a few steps from the square, you'll find the Läckerli boutique, home to Basel's beloved spice cookie, a local specialty with a long tradition. The square serves as a common meeting point for locals and visitors alike and regularly hosts markets, fairs, and seasonal celebrations. One of the highlights of the year is, of course, the Basel Christmas Market. From the end of November through Christmas, Barfüsserplatz transforms into a festive wonderland filled with decorated stalls, twinkling lights, and people from all over coming to celebrate.
Now we're at the beautiful Basler Münster Cathedral. Here you can go up and explore the view from above or enjoy the beautiful square.
From Barfüsserplatz, it's just a short walk to the Basel Cathedral, known as the Münster, and its peaceful square. The architecture surrounding the Münster is truly striking, with the cathedral, of course, as the grand centerpiece. You can visit the cathedral itself for free, and for just a small fee, you can even climb to the top of the towers for an amazing panoramic view. Just note that you need to be at least 2 people to go up, as solo visitors are not permitted for safety reasons. The view from the top is absolutely worth the effort, offering a stunning perspective over the Rhine River and rooftops of the city. I also find the colorful roof tiles and beautiful geometric patterns especially fascinating. Behind the Münster, you can walk through an old convent courtyard and arrive at a peaceful terrace that overlooks the Rhine. From this spot, you can take the stairs down to catch one of Basel's unique ferries.
Next, we're going to take a really unique ferry that actually uses the current of the river to cross.
One of Basel's most charming and unique experiences is crossing the Rhine on one of its traditional ferries. These small motorless boats are guided across the river by a steel cable and are propelled solely by the natural current of the Rhine. It is a quiet, peaceful ride that gives you a whole new perspective on the city from the water. There are 4 ferry crossings in Basel, each connecting different parts of the city and offering a scenic, relaxing journey between the 2 different riverbanks. A ride costs just 2 Swiss francs, which you'll pay in cash directly to the ferry operator, so make sure to have some coins on you. The experience is so serene, blending practicality with local tradition. The ferries run regularly throughout the day and are a memorable highlight for anyone visiting Basel.
For lunch, we recommend taking advantage of the beautiful riverside promenade and enjoying lunch on one of the many spots. We love the Grand Bleu, but there's many amazing places where you can enjoy a picturesque lunch in Basel.
For a lunch along the Rhine in Basel, consider visiting Le Bleu, just upstream from the Münster, or Walter Bistro Bar, both offering great food with beautiful views of the river. The Walter Bistro Bar sits right on the riverbank and serves flatbreads, salads, snacks, and refreshing drinks. It is a perfect spot for a relaxed lunch or casual drink by the water. In addition to these options, there are many other picturesque locales along the river, ranging from laid-back food trucks to full-service restaurants. There's something offered for every vibe. And you cannot leave Basel without trying their famous Läckerli cookie. This is somewhere in between a cookie and a cake, but it is absolutely delicious, and there's many ways to taste it, buy it, or even experience how it's made. The Basler Läckerli is a traditional Swiss cookie originating right here in Basel. Crafted from a blend of honey, almonds, hazelnuts, candied orange peel, and a touch of kirsch, a regional cherry liqueur, these treats offer a delightful balance of sweetness and spice. One of the most esteemed producers is Jacob's Basler Läckerli, a family-run business established in 1753 and the oldest existing cookie manufacturer in Switzerland. The company still follows the traditional recipes passed down through the generations, preserving the authenticity of this cookie. For those interested in learning more, Jacob's Basler Läckerli offers guided tours of their production facility, providing a fascinating behind-the-scenes look at the cookie's history, the company's nearly 300-year legacy, and the process behind each batch. You can even sample the different recipes from 3 centuries and package your very own batch to take home. Of course, there are many other excellent Läckerli manufacturers in Basel too, so be sure to try this iconic treat before you head home. After lunch, we recommend taking advantage of one of the many amazing museums in Basel. Basel is actually known as Museumsstadt because there is such a concentration of incredible museums here. There's so many, but some of our favorites are the Basler Kunstmuseum, the Tongli Museum, and the Paper Mill Museum. Basel is actually known as Museumsstadt, or in English, the City of Museums. Thanks to its incredible variety and quantity of museums to explore, there is truly something here for everyone. But here's just a selection of a few of our favorites you can consider. Located right along the Rhine, Museum Tongli showcases the imaginative and kinetic works of Swiss artist Jean Tongli. His playful, moving sculptures challenge traditional notions of art, blending creativity with mechanics. This museum is totally interactive and super engaging. We especially loved how hands-on it is, and even our daughter had a blast exploring the exhibits here. Next up, the Basel Paper Mill Museum offers an immersive look into the world of paper making. Housed in a former paper mill just a short walk from the Kunstmuseum, it dives into the history and techniques of paper production. You'll see historical tools and machinery in action, and even get a chance to make your own souvenir piece of paper, try calligraphy, and even explore early printing methods. Or perhaps you're passionate about art. Then the Kunstmuseum Basel is for you. Holding the title of the world's oldest public art collection, the Kunstmuseum's galleries span from the 14th century to the present day, featuring masterpieces by artists like Picasso, Van Gogh, and Cézanne. No matter what museum you explore in this section of your itinerary, there is something amazing to discover in Basel. And last but not least, in case you've been efficient and you have a little bit more time today, you can head to the Drylanderek. That literally means the 3 countries corner. If you look at Basel on a map, it is right between France, Germany, and Switzerland. So if you want to be in 3 places at once, this is your chance to do it. Have you ever wanted to stand in 3 places at once? At the Drylanderek, or in English, the 3 countries corner, you can do exactly that. This unique landmark in Basel marks the point where Switzerland, France, and Germany all meet, making it the only place in the country where 3 borders come together. Thanks to Basel's location at the crossroads of these 2 countries, this spot offers more than just a fun photo opportunity. You could take a scenic walk along the Rhine, watch boats pass by, grab a drink at the relaxed outdoor bar, and experience the exciting cultural mix that defines this international corner of Switzerland. So that's it for one day in Basel. We hope you found this video helpful. We absolutely love Basel. We know so many of you arrive here on a cruise and you want to spend a day before continuing onward in Switzerland. So hopefully you find this video helpful. But that is it for us, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.